Hi learners! Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach MJ and I'm from Tula and Tutor Ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang divisibility by 7. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan natin. Imagine this. Quick! You have 2 minutes left to answer your math exam. You are on the last item and your question is, can 213 be exactly divided by 7? Ngayon, pwede ka namang mag-skip count, pwede ka ring mag-long division, pero baka maubusan ka ng oras. Naku, paano na? Time is running out. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you a shortcut. So, ang tanong natin for today ay, can 213 be exactly divided by 7? In other words, is 213 divisible by 7? Pero ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng is divisible by? Kapag sinabi natin is divisible by, it's the same as saying can be exactly divided by. Kapag sinabi natin exactly, dapat walang maiiwan o matitira. Baka iniisip nyo, Coach MJ, kung parehas lang naman pala sila, bakit kailangan ko pang aralin to kung marunong na akong mag-divide? Kahit na sinasabi natin na parehas lang sila, there are differences in terms of how we do it. When we use division, there are still some long calculations, lalo na kapag malaki yung numbers mo, so mas matagal gawin. Meanwhile, when we use divisibility, there can be little to none of those long calculations, so mas mabilis gawin. Kaya tayo may tinatawag na divisibility rules. They help us test if a number is divisible by another number without having to do too much calculations. All you have to do is to look at the digits closely. But how will we know what rule to use? Since we have to divide the number by 7, gagamitin natin ang divisibility rule of 7. To know if a number is divisible by 7, you simply have to follow these steps. Step 1, double the rightmost or the ones digit. Step 2, subtract the number you get from step 1 from the rest of the number. And step 3, the difference must be a multiple of 7. You might be thinking, bakit parang ang haba pa rin ng shortcut? Let me guide you through it. It may not make a lot of sense right now, so let's try to apply it para mas maintindihan natin. So our given is 213. Step 1, double the rightmost or the ones digit, and that digit is 3. Take note of the colors because they will help you remember the steps. To double the digit, we simply have to multiply it by 2. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Step 2, subtract the number you get from step 1 from the rest of the number in your given. So the number we got from step 1 is 6, and the rest of the number is 21. 21 minus 6 will give us 15. Now on to step 3. The difference must be a multiple of 7. Is 15 a multiple of 7? No, it is not. Therefore, 213 is not divisible by 7. Going back to our question, can 213 be exactly divided by 7? No. O diba? Hindi na kailangan mag-skip count or mag-long divide. All we had to do was apply the divisibility rule of 7. Parang magic. Now, to summarize, these are the steps again that we need to follow to find out if a number is divisible by 7. Step 1, double the rightmost or the ones digit. Step 2, subtract the number you get from step 1 from the rest of the number. Step 3, the difference must be a multiple of 7. Now remember, practice makes perfect. So let's try one more item para talagang ready na tayo sa mga susunod nating math exam. Game. Is 301 divisible by 7? Let's follow the steps. Step 1, double the rightmost or the ones digit. And that digit is 1. And 1 times 2 will give us 2. Step 2, subtract the number you get from step 1 from the rest of the number. Again, follow the colors as your guide. So that is 30 minus 2, which will give us 28. Finally, step 3, the difference must be a multiple of 7. Is 28 a multiple of 7? Yes, it is. Therefore, 301 is divisible by 7. Good job! You finished watching our video about divisibility by 7 from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pang mag-level up? Click that bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning!